Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 27th of May 2021, Thursday. It is class 11th, subject education. As you know, my dear students, we are discussing the aims of education. Yesterday, we discussed the social aim of education, and today, we are going to discuss the vocational aim of education. The importance of vocational aim of education and the criticism that has been made against this vocational aim of education. Some of the educationists criticize it on certain basis, this vocational aim of education, and we will also discuss that portion too. Dear students, let's try to understand what is the meaning of vocational aim of education. What is vocational aim? Dear students, with the advancement of scientific knowledge and gradual development of Marxism, some educationists believe that education should enable the individual to earn his living. चूंकि ज़मानन कर तरक्की तेज़ रफ्तार ज़मान छो कि माहिर तालीम यह ख्याल थवान कि एजुकेशन हसा गई अकिस इंडिविजुअलस अत काबिल त बनावन कि सह गछ हकुन पगह पनुन उज़्क पनुन आन ज़ोर कमायित। यह गछ तालीम तम आय तरतीब दिन दिन तम आय गछ अकिस बच्चस तालीम दिन कि यह गोस पगह हकुन कह कमायित अमिस मज गोस कह हुनर त आसुन कह स्किल त आसुन। It should be useful and practical rather than ornamental. It should lead to social efficiency, which in turn depends upon vocational efficiency. Education should therefore have utilitarian aim and enable the people to make both ends meet in order to live happily. We cannot live without a livelihood. रोजगार बगैर हेकिन अख इंसान जिंद रोजित की. Life is meaningless without competency to earn one's livelihood. अगर न इंसान आन ज़ोर कमावनस अहल आस कह काबिल आस कह तेल छन अमिस तालीम हुंद कहीं मकसद. अम कोता त आस पोरमुत अगर ये पत रॉपिय दह हेकि ज़ीनित कह पनुन रोजगार हेकि कमायित कह तेल यह सा ये एजुकेशनल इस तालीम आमज दिन तेल यह flop. According to Secondary Education Commission, knowledge gained is useless if an individual cannot make both ends meet. Without a vocation, the individual is a drag and parasite on others. You should bargain better imsun inhisar roza. You should dependent roza. Agar नहीं ये हेकि कमायित कहीं. अम आस तालीम वारियाह पर्मुज, अम आस PhD कोरमुत, मगर यह आस न हेकान अमिस आस न तुथ कह हुनर तुथ कह स्किल आस न अम अटेन कोरमुत हेचमुत पन्ने अत तालीमी कैरियरस दौरान कि यह आस न हेकान यह आस अत दारित यह आस बेयन रॉपिय दह मंगान तेल छन अमि सद तालीम हुंद कहीं फायदे. A social parasite cannot be called a free man. He begins to feel free only when he is economically independent. Vocational education thus exercises a liberalizing effect on man. यह आज़ादी आज़ाद इंसान एजुकेशन यह अमिस आज़ादी दिवान यम जन इकोनॉमिकल डिफिकल्टीज इकोनॉमिकली अम सज पुअर पुअरनेस अम सज रोजान इकोनॉमिकली यह अमिस दूर करान. There is no vocation without education. मगर कह वोकेशन हेक न कह क्राफ्ट हेक न अख इंसान असल पट ग्रासप करित कह हेचित कह तन अमिस तालीम त आस. यानी अख दुकानदार तेले कामयाब दुकानदार येल तमिस थोड़ा बहुत अचन हुंद प्रानो त वोनमुत अच गाज गछस आसुन. Every vocation has an educational value. Education with the vocational aim in the foreground will prepare each individual for an occupation. Vocational aim of education is also known as bread and butter aim, blue jacket aim, and white collar aim. یِم چھِ اَتھ مُختلِف ناو یِمو ناوو سۭتۍ تہِ چھِ یِوان ووکیشنل ایم آف ایجوکیشن زاننہٕ. ایکسپٲرٹن ہٕنٛز وِو اَتھ مُتعلِق کیاہ چھِ تہِ تہِ کرو أسۍ تھوڑا بہت ییٚتہِ مینشن. ہارٹ شورنیز وِو چھِ اکھ ایجوکیشنس یہِ چھُ وَنان vocational education is an education of most effective kind, for lack of which those who merely go to school suffer all their lives. چھُ وَنان کہِ یہِ ہسا چھُ یُس ہسا ووکیشنل ایجوکیشن چھُ یہِ ہسا چھُ موسٹ اِفیکٹِو ٹایپ آف ایجوکیشن. اگر یہِ آسہِ نہٕ کینٛہہ صرف سکوٗلٕے یوت یِم لُکھ صرف سکوٗلٕے یوت گژھان چھِ پتہٕ چھِنہٕ تِمن چھُنہٕ ووکیشنل ایجوکیشن میلان کینٛہہ تِم چھِ سٲرسٕے زندگی پتہٕ امیُک خمیازٕ تُلان. بیاکھ ایجوکیشنِسٹ اکھ چھُ سپینز چھُ أمِس ناو. یہِ چھُ وَنان پریپریشن فار ووکیشن از این امپارٹنٹ پارٹ آف اوور ایجوکیشن. سانہِ تعلیٖم ہُنٛد اکھ اہم حصہٕ ہسا چھُ ووکیشنل ایجوکیشن. What are the merits and we can say what is the importance of vocational aim? Let's try to understand this also. Dear students, vocational aim of education is the solution of economic problem. India, as you know, is today facing such grave problems as unemployment. تُہۍ چھِو وٕچھان ژۄپٲرۍ بے روزگٲری. لچھِ بٔدۍ بچہِ چھِ نیران سکوٗل کالجو مٔنٛزۍ پاس آوُٹس یِم چھِ یونیورسٹی پاس آوُٹس کالیج پاس آوُٹس یِمن چھُنہٕ پتہٕ روزگار بنان کینٛہہ. ان ایمپلایمینٹ چھُ اکھ گریو پرابلم انڈیاہس منٛز. پوورٹی, فِماین, ڈراٹس, فلڈس, باقٕے یِم آفات اَسہِ چھِ یِمو سۭتۍ چھِ سٲنۍ اِکانمی بیٚیہِ ہن تہِ کمزور گژھان. Our economic problems are our greatest difficulties. Hence, technical and vocational training is of great importance. Since only such training can help to solve the economic problem of our country, Mahatma Gandhi has rightly stated, true education ought to be for children a kind of insurance against unemployment. گاندھی چھُ وَنان کہِ صحیح تعلیٖم ہسا گٔے سُہ تعلیٖم یَتھ منٛز بَچَس یہِ ایشورَنس میلہِ کہِ یہِ ہیٚکہِ نہٕ ان ایمپلایڈ روٗزِتھ کینٛہہ یہِ ہیٚکہِ آن ژور کمٲوِتھ. دوٚیِم, attainment of happiness. The true object of education is the generation of happiness. Happiness is said to be the summum bonum of life and existence. Man is really very happy when he is adjusted to his occupation. A happy and contented individual can render best service to the society. According to John Dewey, education with vocational aim will balance the distinctive capacity of the individual with social service. Number third is attainment of social efficiency. Dear students, vocational aim helps the educand to attain economic independence and social efficiency. Social efficiency is the outcome of the efforts of the individual who earn their livelihood and who are not or drag on the members of the society. Number fourth is minimizing social misfits. Dear students, vocational aim facilitates in fixing the right person at the right place and thus minimizing social misfits. The wastage of human talent, initiative and resourcefulness can be avoided. Resourcefulness can be utilized. The resourceful persons can be brought to the service or can be put in the service of the society. For children of lower intelligence, vocational education is the only hope. یِم بَچہِ پَرنَس منٛز تھوڑا بہت آسان چھِ कमज़ोर तमन खतर वोकेशनल एजुकेशन वारियाह अहमियत थवान. Such children should have vocational training as early as possible because they are at a great disadvantage when taught academic subjects with more intelligent children. Number 5 is giving purpose to educational activity. The students, the vocational education gives purpose to educational activity. With the vocational aim in forefront, education will be purposeful and conducive to learning. It makes the child an active partner in the learning process. It makes the child's tendencies and habits, pays attention to their interests, awakens their minds. It excites the intelligence and puts an end to lethargy and inactivity. Number 6 is moral, intellectual, and cultural development. As far as the vocational aspect of education is concerned, it is connected with earning that derives inspiration from what is noble in our ancient culture and at the same time does not ignore the demands of the present age. Dear students, some people are some people are of the view that this vocational aim has negative uh, effects also. They say it is one-sided approach. Vocational aim is not a complete aim of education. If education aims only at vocational proficiency, it represents only one-sided approach. It cannot be denied that education must also be responsible for the individual's physical development, intellectual development, character development, spiritual development, cultural development, and development of his personality. Besides being a wage earner, one has to be a father, a husband, a citizen, etc. अमिश बाकी ती जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ गई जन पोस मिशन रोज कह. He has to understand and enjoy life. He has to use the extra time profitably, and he has to contribute to the solution of human problems. In short, he should not only be a good professional but also a good man. They say the vocational education, the vocational aim of education, in vocational aim when the vocational education lays emphasis on materialism. If education has vocational efficiency as its only objective, it becomes materialistic at the cost of religious, moral, and intellectual values. Yel hasa insan sirf yoy garz asis ki bogu su sirf kamai kulu yot rozun, emis chu panun baki cheez mazhab chu, morality chu, intellectual values chu, panun custom to culture chu ishim sori mushti gasan. Materialism leads to self-interest, barbarism, corruption, black marketing, and cutthroat competitions, which are harmful to society and individual both. Dear students, now we have come to the conclusion that considering the pros and cons of the vocational aim of education, we can conclude that although it is an important objective, but it cannot be considered the sole aim of education, even if it is considered the most important. This aim can make one a good machine. Aim can make one a good mechanic, a good liar, a good industrialist, a good banker, a good engineer, a good doctor, but not necessarily a good man. Dear students, it is all for today. I hope you will have understood the vocational aim of education, its importance, meaning and importance, and the criticism that has been made by some of the educationists. It is all for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will take up some other topic. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.